Trying to use FlexiZone on your Canon camera, but it's not working? The focus box won't move, or is the option grayed out? Don't worry, this usually happens due to certain settings or modes that block it. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix the FlexiZone issue and get it working again on your Canon camera. Let's get FlexiZone working right now. Before we start, make sure to remove and reinsert the battery. Remove and reinsert the memory card. If your issue persists, then follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check your autofocus mode. Look at the top of your camera body. Here you can see a wheeler. It's called a mode dialer. So, turn your mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Now check whether it works or not. Solution 2. Check AF method. Turn on your camera. Set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Then press the menu button. After that, click on the right arrow button to go to the fourth camera icon tab. Here you can find the AF method option. Select it, then press the set button. Here you will get the four options: AF tracking, FlexiZone, single FlexiZone, multi, and quick mode. Now select the FlexiZone, single or FlexiZone multi mode. After selecting, press the set button to confirm it. Solution 3. Reset camera settings. Turn on your camera, now press the menu button. Next, go to the wrench icon using the arrow button. Here you will get 4 wrench icons. You need to go to the fourth wrench icon. Here you will find the clear settings option. Tap on it, then select clear all camera settings. Next, click the set button. Then select OK, and then click the set button to confirm it. Wait for a while and it's cleared everything. Now switch off your camera and then switch back on again and see whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 4. Firmware update. Click on the menu button. Next, go to the fourth wrench icon. Then scroll down. Here you can see the firmware version. Click on it. Now note the version. Now what you have to do is go to your phone or PC. Then open up any browser and visit the official Canon support website for your region, like Canon USA, Canon Europe. Then search your camera's firmware version. If it's available, then install it on your PC. I don't have any update versions here. That's why I can't show you. But I'm telling you the process. Take out your SD card from your camera. Then insert your SD card into a card reader. And then plug the card reader into your PC. Then simply paste the downloaded file to your SD card. Then unplug the card reader. Take out the card reader. Now reinsert the card into your camera. Now again, go to the firmware version option. Now complete the update. So this is the way to fix the FlexiZone issue on your Canon camera. Thanks for watching.